I got into bird watching in a really kind of an organic way. It really just began with time outside on the weekends with my partner. It was really just kind of going on nature walks and hikes with the dog. I think bird watching is also a hobby that really lends itself to someone who enjoys the process. In particular, if you're someone like me that takes this towards photography. I found bird watching to be a great exercise for me in teaching me to slow down and better appreciate what each moment brings. Because it's so easy to be caught up looking towards the next thing and what we're all trying to drive to accomplish. And that can be good and that can be healthy, but I also think that just being outside and being more present and connected with the natural world just offers a lot of kind of restorative balance of how we go about our day-to-day lives.